The last 2 days were incredible. I came into it with pretty high expectations, and Ryan and the team certainly delivered. And I feel like I'm going to leave with a clear set of things to do to become better.
The quality of the people in the room was really, really impactful. I know that I've made 3 or 4 other friends that are going to be really helpful in my growth.
It was a lot of looking at myself and kind of how I do things at both home and at work. We talked a lot about personal life, which was kind of surprising, but I think actually good too.
Just the energy in the room, being together with a group of people who are like-minded with a growth mindset, man, refreshing. Ryan's the magnet that drew all that together.
I loved coming to this workshop, got a lot out of it. I really loved the intentional listening skills, and I can build that into my relationships at work and to make things better at my company.
Wasn't entirely sure what to expect, but I know that Ryan does everything first class, and this certainly exceeded any expectations that I had.
I knew obviously there'd be a lot of valuable things here, but I didn't realize it'd be this much good stuff. You tend to get in a rut, you tend to start thinking a bit more linear and a bit more narrow, but just to kind of get in a room where your perspective broadens back out again and you start to think a little bit higher, a little bit big picture. Fantastic stuff, really enjoyed it.
If you're the type of person who wants to grow, who wants to meet like-minded individuals who want to grow with you.
If you're looking to do something that pushes you out of your comfort zone a little bit.
You'll get pushed in ways that you don't expect.
That outside perspective is it's so enormous, and when you can take it back to your own team, it re-energizes.
It's an investment that you gain and then you take with yourself forever.
You'll see the benefits for years to come, so just make that time and just go for it.
If you want to learn from growth-oriented people, pieces of wisdom, habits, routines, behaviors to be a better leader, that's why you come to a Learning Leader workshop.